Good day. I'd like to show you how to use Google Alerts to get content on a certain subject. So first of all, you go to the Google Alerts page, which is www.google.com/alerts, and you will get to a page like this. You must be in your Gmail account, and you will get a page similar to this, but with not all of these alerts that I've already created. So to create a new alert, you'll type your subject in. If I say that I want to get articles or content with about rural broadband, that's how I'll type it in, and I can go to the show options button and see what the details are of what I will get. So I'll get once a day email from anywhere in English, and you can change whatever you want, just change your search terms as well, and then from any region. So at the moment I'm getting it from anywhere in the world. Just to make it a bit more focused, I will pick the United Kingdom, and of course you must try and match your language with your country if you want to get valid results. Only the best results. I always start with all results just to see what you get, and then you can fine-tune it, because otherwise Google decides what's best for you. And then now I can see what will I get with my first mailing. And remember, this will now be a lot of content. It won't be just the last day's content. And if there's something that you don't like for instance, you see this content from Think Broadband, and it's not something that you want to see ever, then you will remove it with a minus here, and the content will be excluded from your list of results. And then you click on Create Alert, and there it is. Now I can show you, for instance, my pointing, the company that I work for, the pointing search. I've took all those words out because in time I've realized that there's a Sarah pointing that's quite popular. I think there's a Warwick pointing, or pointing Warwick. There's a pointing building, a Charlotte pointing, and athlete. So I've taken all those names out that I don't get that content every time. And then here at the bottom, I will see what I will get from any region once a day. And that's it. I will just quickly show you what it looks like in your email. So in my Gmail, this is what I get daily, every morning at 9 o'clock. I set it like that. I get my Google Alerts, and I can go and look and see what's interesting. One thing that I'll suggest to take out is these market research or something that these are 5G ones, that they include all the company names that you must find them, but it's not always valid information for you. On pointing, you can see, I can see Foregone probably loaded a product bundle, that's it, yeah. And Westwood Sales also loaded a product bundle. It's not always on the day that they load it. It might be a couple of weeks after it, but at least you get alerts for when this happened. And that's my story. Please contact me if you've got any questions. Thank you.